How to detect if someone is tracking your location on WhatsApp. This is a pretty new update to protect you from intrusion on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down until you locate settings. This will drop you to an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to tap on privacy. Under privacy, when you scroll down a bit, you could see live location. Proceed to tap on it. As you correctly see, I'm currently not sharing any live location in my chat. In the event I shared it in the past, it will be indicating here. And what others do is they will take your phone and share your live location to their device, and after that they will delete it on your site and keep DS on. So anytime you open your WhatsApp, wherever you found yourself, they will be having the live feedback on their phone. So make sure occasionally you visit this live location to check your live location, whether you are sharing it on WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.